T gang, what's poppin', y'all? Hey, it is your boy Tony B, and we are in 2020. Hey, I know I didn't end 2019 the way I wanted to, man. Had a lot of things going on. I had got sick. The boys had the flu. So we had a whole bunch of mess going on. But 2020, we back in this thing. We've got to get this thing lit, y'all. But today, we're going to work on the 2004 Armada with 300,000 miles. What we're going to do is fairly obvious, y'all. We're going to try to see if we can get this this paint and clear coat to look good. As y'all can see, we got it flaking up pretty bad right here. We got a little bit up here that we're gonna address. This up here, I might just hit it with another little coat of clear. And as y'all can see, you know, it's kind of swirly. Over here, it's looking good. You know, all we need probably is a good little buff and compound on this side. But this is the big culprit right here. This is the ugly duckling side. But we're gonna go ahead and get this thing situated, man. We're gonna head to the store. I don't know if I'm gonna go to Harbor Freight. We're gonna go somewhere, y'all. I'm gonna just bring y'all along, man, kind of vlog style. We're gonna do this thing, you know, the best way Tony B can do, the TNT garage way. All right, let's go, y'all. Let's go. Got back here, y'all. It's Taz B, the Roblox Ninja. Yeah. What's up, man? Did you have a good day at school?
Yeah.
All right. Hey, we had to pick up Taz before we went to the store. We're gonna pick up Kayla, and then we're gonna head to the store, y'all. Be patient with me, y'all. This is vlog style. This is the new wave now. The new way, new TNT way.
You suck.
Huh?
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 Why are you recording?
Why am I recording?
Yeah.
Because we're making a video.
Are we finally going to our video?
Yeah, hey guys, we do have a video game that I got for me and my son, and it's where you can find old cars and you can restore them and all that kind of good jazz. But we never did it over this Christmas break or New Year's break, but we're gonna get that thing going, huh?
That's because the boys didn't go to sleep.
Yeah, it's hard for us to record, you know, and the knuckleheaded boys, they always want to mess up stuff. But hey, you know what I'm saying? We're a family channel, so we might just have them in the video too. How about that, Tom? Huh?
Yeah, probably.
Well, we'll see. We'll see.
But I don't think they could play the game.
No, they can't play the game yet. They just, you know, they're little boys. You know what I'm saying? We might not need to exclude them. I just know they don't know how to be quiet. That's the main thing. But yeah.
Why can't we just put them at a long run?
We might can see if Mom can give us a little break so we can make a little quick video, y'all. Yeah, we might do that, man. But yeah, we're gonna get back on the road. Let's go. You ain't never been in Harbor Freight, hey?
Never in my life.
Hey, y'all know what it is. Cheapo.
You're not my dad!
Let's go. All right, gang, we are back at the crib. Look at Taj, he got his basketball. He said he ain't finna start no paint. But I got everything over here set. This is the paint I got for the part that is real bad over here. Hopefully this paint, you know, is the same color. I'm not gonna put any paint up here, like I said before. I'm gonna probably clear the whole hood. I'm gonna touch up paint right here. Probably hit it with 1500 grip. Hey, let me tell you right now, this is hey, put down the disclosure, man. Because please don't do what I do. This is just for entertainment purposes. Entertainment purposes.
It's funny.
No, hey, I'm telling y'all.
That's disgusting.
Oh, my bad. I'm still a little sick. Shh, stop bouncing the ball so they can hear. This is a disclaimer, y'all. I don't know what the heck I'm doing.
That's so stupid.
I'm just documenting it so you guys can be entertained. You know what I'm saying? This channel is about comedy, laughing a little bit, and entertainment car stuff. So, you know, hey, we got a bunch of vehicles out here that you guys can be entertained with your boy. I know a little bit, but I don't know a lot.
Accurate.
But I'm gonna hit it with 1500 grit. Hopefully that doesn't put too many scratches on there. And hopefully the clear coat will adhere good with that. I got that 2K clear. That's a two-part clear, where you just get this top and you put it at the bottom. Check it up crazy. Respirator, oh man, I shouldn't have went cheap on that. I should have got a 3M respirator, but my other one over there is cracked. I might just go ahead and still put that one on. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this thing looking good, man. What I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna wipe it off with some soapy water. Just wipe it down, you know, try to get all the particulates off. And I'm gonna probably mask it off right here, since that's a hard body line. You know, mask it off all the way around. And I might even clear this side right here and just mask it off on that side. So at least the whole top, when you're looking at it from the top, it'll be the same, you know, clear coat. Whew, I don't know, y'all. I don't know. But we're gonna get it done. Let's go. Like always, guys, it's a dilemma. As you guys know, you know, on any car, it has chips, you know what I'm saying? Paint chips and stuff like that. And, you know, excuse my tape job. It is what it is. But as y'all know, man, I might just go and put some spot putty in, man. You know how I do. I do stuff cheap, but I don't want this thing to keep rusting. I want it to last a little while. So what I'm gonna probably do, what I already did, I didn't do the 1500. I actually got 600. And that's why the spot looks a little bit bigger, but it's actually real smooth. You really can't feel any transition. Maybe right here. I'm gonna probably hit this a little bit more. You know, it feels pretty smooth, you know what I'm saying? And that's the kind of thing you want. And the reason why I did 800, because I am doing a base coat on this. So I'm thinking the base coat needs a little bit more to grab onto than just that 1500. Because I think just a clear coat, I'm gonna just do 1500 right here. I'm not gonna repaint this. I think this is okay. We'll see when I sand it down. But that paint color, actually, man, I really can't tell. It doesn't look that bad. So probably what I'll do, I'll probably just, you know, lightly mist it, you know what I'm saying, a couple times. Maybe back mask it, you know, so it can actually come down here. You know what I'm saying? Probably, you know, sand a little bit perfect past this line. But yeah, we're making progress. And another thing I decided to do, I know it's a lot of rock chips up front. I don't know if I'm gonna deal with that. You know what I'm saying? I just don't want the ones that rust. So yeah, this ain't gonna be some kind of big restoration, paint restoration. This is just to make it look better. I'm definitely gonna probably do the clear coat on this side, you know, just so I can do the whole hood, you know, so it can be a transition, and then, you know, it just falls off. You're not gonna be able to really see too much because I'm gonna back mask it, you know, a little bit, and then hopefully I can blend it, you know, when I cut it and buff it. But man, I'm trying my best, y'all. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. Like I said, put the disclaimer down again. All right. Hey, you know what I'm saying? Y'all do this at your own risk, man. At your own risk.
Soon after.
Well, we got the rock chips gone. I don't know if I need to prime it, but I guess it won't hurt to get 2 coats on now. Let's see what it look like.
Oh my God.
There we go. We got the primer down. It's all nice and smooth. And next, what we're gonna do, I got the paint over here warming up. I actually got a little heater in here just to keep it, you know, a decent temperature here. I think what you have to have it at least like 50 degrees. And I believe it's hotter than 50 degrees in here. So yeah, man, This is getting nerve-wracking now, man. I got the paint spray out. I sprayed it out. I think, yeah, looking pretty close. What y'all think? I think it looks, this is only one coat, and it actually covers pretty good. So, yeah. What I'm gonna probably end up doing, you know, is going harder. Shoot. I'm starting to think about it now. This might be a different color as I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna make sure I make sure all this look like the same color. And the reason why I taped it like this is so I won't have such a harsh line. I'm not gonna be spraying down in here. So hopefully, you know, I can have it mist right here close to the edge. So when I do hit it with the compound cut, you know what I'm saying, it'll all work itself out. What I need to do now, I need to come over here and start sanding this part down. Whoo, Lord have mercy. This is gonna be big hood, but I feel like I should go ahead and, you know, do this whole hood, because I don't wanna just make a tape line off right here. Then you'll definitely see that, man. We're gonna get it done, y'all. We're gonna get it done. Right on cue. Man, this was a lot worse than I thought it was. So I had to go ahead and knock it down. It's almost like to the primer right here. The other side, it's not as bad, but I'm gonna still have to continue to sand it with 600 grit up there. You know, try to get it knocked down. I gotta hit this a little bit more too. I didn't see that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to hit this, knock this down, and then I'm gonna probably just clear down here. But I'm gonna have to put paint up here because I don't have enough paint to do this whole hood. So I'm gonna probably have to see if I can feather in right here. Oh, here we go. We'll see how this look, y'all. Y'all don't laugh too much, man. Just go down in the comment section, you know, just let me know what I did wrong so, you know, we can learn together. How about that? All right, let's go. Let's finish up. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I gotta stop this, y'all. I can't even play this no more. Number one is copyright, and number two, I gotta have some dignity, y'all. But you wanna see it?
No.
Alright, man, I'm gonna put some more music on here, and we're gonna let this thing roll. Y'all don't laugh at me too bad. I'm gonna laugh too. Alright, roll the clip. Do y'all see this, y'all? This is coming from a man that don't know nothing about paint. And we did it with a spray can. We did it. Yes, we did it. Everything that I do, man, I do it with y'all guys because y'all be rocking with me. Y'all always pushing me and trying to make sure I do the best that I can do. Hey, and I appreciate you guys for that, man. Hey, oh man, I'm just so proud of this, man. It's not perfect. I do have a line right around in there that I'm gonna have to wet sand. We're gonna buff it. I'm gonna make a video of it, man, but I'm gonna let it cure for at least, you know, probably a week or two. Then I'll come back and I'll show y'all how I'm gonna do, not paint correct. I'm gonna probably just, you know, polish the whole truck so everything can have a nice, good, clean, clear coat, y'all. Hey, your boy is just so excited, man. You know, just to get this thing, you know, looking a little bit better. You know, if y'all don't know, this is the truck my mom used to always drive. And man, you know, she's not with us right now, but you know, I know she would be very proud of, you know, what I did, man. And like I said, what we did, man, because y'all are here with y'all.
Perfect.
Whew, I can't even talk, man. Y'all are here with me, man. Yeah, whew, man, I'm just so proud. But if you like the video, man, if you think I did a good job, man, hit that like button, man. It supports the channel. It helps us grow. Also, man, hey, my boy D over there on Southern Chevy TV, he hit 7 grand. And you know, I hit my 1,000. So hey, we finna do the candy paint giveaway. So if y'all haven't done so yet, go check out the video. It's gonna be in the description. You gotta go and comment hashtag candy paint giveaway on each one of the videos. And make sure you subscribe to both of our channels, man. And we're gonna give away that candy paint, man. Man, I just feel so good. I do. And it's all, you know, because of y'all. You know what I'm saying? Y'all encouraged me to make these videos, man. And, you know, I'm grateful to be able to do these things. I know I don't do everything perfect, but you know what I'm saying? I do these things for entertainment, man. And, you know, because I love cars. You know, that's the whole process, man. You know, I'm not trying to say I'm a paint and body guy now, but hey, I'm proud of what I've done, man. Proud of what I did. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Doing business with the ground now.
But all right, guys, hopefully you guys like the video. Make sure you go down there and subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell. Hey, because you know your boy finna drop bangers in 2020. Y'all just don't know. We finna get this C10 done. We're going to bring a new project to the TNT Garage, man. We're going to do a lot of lit stuff, man. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. I thank y'all for watching the video again. All right, guys. Y'all have a blessed day. Peace.
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool.